I've been exploring the ZRX Fitness mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. ZRX is a story-driven fitness app that turns your walks and runs into an audio adventure set in a zombie apocalypse and other fictional worlds, aimed at beginners through to experienced runners. It blends narrated missions with your own music, uses GPS to track your activity, and lets you progress through multi-season storylines like the long-running Zombies Run series, which many reviewers say keeps them motivated because they want to hear what happens next rather than just hit a distance goal. As you run, you unlock extra story content and stats, and the app supports different environments and paces, including treadmill use, which makes it easier to fit into everyday exercise routines. However, it's not without flaws. While the overall rating is very high at 4.8 out of 5 from around 24,000 reviews, some users report technical issues such as unreliable Apple Watch connectivity and problems with missions chaining correctly, even with a paid subscription. Others mention that relying on GPS can affect battery life, and full access to the large mission library requires an ongoing subscription rather than a simple one-time purchase. Overall, if you value immersive storytelling to stay motivated and don't mind paying a subscription for lots of missions, ZRX is a solid choice. It's likely best for people who get bored with standard running apps and enjoy narrative-driven experiences. But anyone very sensitive to technical hiccups or recurring costs may want to test the free content first and see how it runs on their device. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.